Example number 4. Locate root 3 on the number line. You have to take 1 unit and make an arc here likewise. So here you can make from here to there, 1 is there. This is root 2. Now this root 2 here to there, this is root 2. So here one more option is there. You can find here 1 unit. You can make a 1 unit also here. So this will be 1, this will be 1, this will be 1 unit. So this is also root 2. So here this is the root 2. Then you can put here, and this is the representation of this is root 2. Now so this is root 2. Put it here 90 degree and add like this. Cut 1 unit here to there and add here. This will be root 3. Now you can take an arc, you can make an arc likewise here. So here to there you can drop an arc here. This is the root 3. So construct BD, here it is given. Construct BD of unit length perpendicular to OB as in figure. Then using the Pythagoras theorem, we see that the OD is equal to root 3 using a compass with the center O and the radius OD. Draw an arc which intersect the number line at the point Q, then Q corresponding to root 3. In the same way, you can locate root n for any positive integer n after root under n minus 1 has been located. Here it is 1. So you have to take from there unit place here at 1 unit here. So now whatever will be the value, it is 1 by the Pythagoras, it will be the root 2. Now exercise 1.2 is there, you have to do it. Next point will be the 1.3 real numbers and their decimal expansion.